Hello everyone, this is Shabnam here. In today's video, I am going to speak about the different home-based job and small business opportunities which are available for the women. It so happened that I met a very close and dear friend of mine last week and she seemed to be quite upset. She got married at a very early age, after completing her 12th grade, and after which she became very busy taking care of her family and the children. But now both her daughters are grown up and they are very busy in their life, as well as her husband is into marketing. So most of the time he is traveling. As well as she is totally dependent on her husband, financially, like even a small thing she needs to ask her husband for that. So now she wants to become financially independent. She wants to do something on her own, but she was little upset, telling that she has no family support, she can't start anything on her own because she has no money to invest on that, as well as she feels that her communication skills are not good, she's not highly qualified and no one will give her a job. So I really wanted to help her. So what I did is I spoke to a lot of my other friends who are into business as well as doing different jobs, as well as I did a lot of research in Google, and I came across nearly 50 plus job opportunities which are available for women. So among that, I just selected a few which I felt are best suited for women who can stay at home and do this job. So then it came to my mind, it is not only my friend, but there would be so many other ladies who are looking out for different opportunities. See, some have been doing hectic corporate job and they wanted to give up that and do something on their own. Or some of them are working, but they are looking for some part-time jobs because they want to increase their income. And some have never worked due to some commitments or something like getting married and having kids, but now they are looking out to do something. So please do view this video till the end so that you can get some idea about what are the different job opportunities which are available for you. So let's get started. The first option is online business, which is growing very popular these days. So in the online platform, you can sell anything. You can sell clothes, shoes, bags, whatever you wish to sell. You need not do any investment in this. All that you have to do is get in touch with the dealer, ask him to send a couple of pictures on the products which you want to sell, and then you can circulate these pictures among your friends, relatives, as well as your family members to start with. And if you get an order, then for every order you get some commission. You can also make a Facebook page or page on Instagram or WhatsApp group and start circulating these pictures and getting orders. A couple of my friends are doing this and they've been very successful. The next option would be event management. For this, you need not be highly qualified or have excellent communication skills. All that you need is good organizing and managing skills. Initially, start organizing small birthday parties, housewarming ceremonies. You can take up school and college functions. And once your business starts picking up, then you can start hiring people and expanding your business. The third option, become a financial advisor. In case you have good knowledge in accounts and economics, you can become a financial advisor, work from home, and you can guide people on investments as well as the people who are starting their business. The fourth option is interior designer. So if you have a passion for this, a lot of people are looking out for someone who can make their house beautiful, design it beautifully. You can also do redesigning. But if you feel that you are interested but you don't have much knowledge in this, then you can join some interior designer as an assistant interior designer, gain some knowledge and start it on your own. The fifth option would be a dietitian or a health coach. For this, you will have to do some online course, which is just 2 or 3 months course is available, and it is very reasonable, I think 2,000 to 3,000, and then you can start guiding people on their diet to be fit and how to reduce their weight. And this has one advantage: if you do this course, it will be helpful for you to keep yourself fit and plan a diet for yourself. So the sixth option which you have is tuitions, becoming a tutor. So you can take tuitions online as well as offline. You can teach any subject which you're good at. Even if you've just completed your 12th grade, still you can teach small children. See, these days parents are very busy and they don't find time to teach their children, so they're looking out for tuitions. You can also teach spoken languages like spoken Hindi or spoken English also. Next option is HR services. This is the best one of the best options for ladies who can work from home. You can do part-time as well as the full-time job. So you can just get in touch with some corporates, get some positions which are open, and try sourcing and finding the right candidate. And each candidate you place, you would be getting some good commission on that, as well as if you're working on small positions, then you would be getting paid monthly. The next option would be content writing. So for content writing, it is not a must that you should be very good in English. You can write the content in any language. See, you can write theses for someone, no? You can write for the magazines, you can write for the newspaper. So this is one good option which you have. The next one is becoming a trainer. Like whatever you are good at. Maybe you're good at drawing, painting, or you're good at dance, music, or you can teach yoga. So you can train others on this, and this will, so that what is happening? You are following your passion as well as you're converting your passion into small business and making some money out of it. So now this option is for those people who have some space in their house, and you can think of starting a old age care. So a lot of people are going out to work and they're looking out for some place where they can leave their old parents, where they would be taken good care of. So you can just start with 1 or 2 old people. All that you have to do is that you have to maintain the room nicely. Hygiene should be maintained, and take good care of them. I heard even then slowly you can start with 1 or 2 of them, and then slowly you can start increasing the number of people you take. And I also heard that the government is also sponsoring for this cause. Similarly, the next option would be a daycare center for those people who love children. And again, if you have space, you can start with a small daycare center with 1 or 2 rooms. Just try to maintain hygiene. Just decorate the room a little, get some few toys, and do some activities with the children. And this also, people are ready to pay any amount for this. And the next option would be for those who are pet lovers. If you love pets like dogs and cats, yes, you can opt for pet sitting. So you can take care of the pets. Similarly, people who are going for work are looking out for some safe place for their pets, as well as when people are traveling abroad or traveling to different places, they are looking out for some place where they can leave their pets peacefully and go. And the pets would be taken good care of, and they're ready to pay any amount. So this is one good option which you have. The next option which you have is web designing. So if you're really creative and innovative, a lot of people have started the business and they're looking out for someone who can design their web page. So this is good option where you get really paid. The next option would be editing. Again, in business, a lot of people are started making videos to sell their products. And they're looking out for someone who can edit their videos. So you can edit videos, you can edit photos, you can edit, for the newspaper, and you get paid for each editing you do. You also get paid for that. And the next good option is data typing. So this is meant even for people who are not highly qualified, who don't have excellent communication skills, but who are good in typing. So even if you're not good in typing and you want to do this, you can get a training. Government is providing free online training, and you also get a certificate for this. So what happens is that companies have a lot of data in the form of hard copy, and they want to convert it into the soft copy. So each page you type and give, then you get paid for that. The next option is translator. So you can translate in any language. It's a home-based job, and many corporates as well as hotel industries are looking out for translator. But if you know some foreign language, then there's an added advantage for you. The next would be travel guide or agent. For this also you need to tie up with some hotel industry or with some corporates. Right here you will have to, it's a home-based job again, and you need to take care of insurance, arranging flights, accommodations, any changes you need to keep them informed, as well as you need to guide the people regarding the passport, visa, and all these process. The next one would be trading. Yes, investing in the stock market and making profit, but there is risk in this. So you need to do a lot of research, gain knowledge, and then look out for this option. Another good option is starting a fitness center. For this, what you have to do is that initially you can start with 1 or 2 people if you have space at home, and you can teach them aerobics, so you can teach them yoga, and then slowly you can start a fitness center. The last option I would like to speak about is starting a YouTube channel where there is zero investment. All you have to need to have is the confidence to face the camera. You need to have some knowledge, But here, if you're looking out for earning money immediately, it would not happen. It will take a very long time. You need to have a lot of patience, or sometimes you might not, it might not work out also. But if you have a passion for this, yes, you can do this. So these are few home-based opportunities which are available for you ladies. Though you don't keep thinking that I'm not highly educated, I can't speak properly, right? I don't have money, right? So what you have to do first when you want to do something is that you need to do a self-study about yourself. So take some time out, take at least 1 or 1.5 months time, and try to understand what exactly you want to do. What is the purpose? What is the goal you have in your life, right? Whether you want to make money or you want to pursue your passion. What is it exactly you want? And after which, try to do some self-study and try to understand what are the skill sets, what are the strengths, what are the resources which you have, and then come to a conclusion. You can select any one option. But remember one thing, when you decide to do something, you might have someone who's very close to you or other people demotivating you, speaking negative, telling that you would not be able to do it, is very difficult, why do you want to do all this at this age? There would be a lot of people, but you should not pay attention to all these negative people. So once you are determined, you should take an action. See, some people are finding it very difficult to decide what to do. And once they're decided, then they're procrastinating to take an action, right? Because they have a fear, they're not confident about themselves. So remember one thing, initially when you try something, you might have a lot of challenges, you might meet with failures, but it's fine, right? Failures are the stepping stone to success. But you have to keep on trying, never give up. One day you would surely succeed. See, most of the people who have been very successful, they had met with so many failures, but they never gave up in life. So try to take a decision what exactly you want to do and start with something. So wish you all the very best. Hope this information was useful to you, and in case it was useful to you, please do give me a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and most important thing is that hit the bell icon so that you get a timely notification whenever I post my new videos.